Alright, we've got the ASX market minute update. I'm going to try my very best to keep it to a minute. We do have FMG up, which is currently trading at 1940, up about 1.25% as well. So we've got a strong buy order here at 1940, $3.8 million worth, or 3.88, 200,000 shares. Just so I get a little bit of perspective from the depth chart there on Spark. Now, what I am showing here, let's go to the daily time frame as well. So we have seen, we've seen a bit of a bounce, like I said, up 1.25%, bottomed out at 1886, which does close the gap. It did gap up from the 3rd of December, which the close was there, or the high was 1896. So we have closed the gap that was formed. A few points to show here. What I'm showing here is from day trade scans. So we've got some information from brokerages about institutional movements here. A couple things that I noticed are Citigroup major selling at 22.97. Some more major selling by Morgan Stanley, 345 million at 23.14. And then, as you can see the actual net value. You can see some significant ones. We've got Goldman Sachs as well at 22.86. Macquarie Insto, 144 million at 22.87. So, I understand this is delayed information. I just went from the 1st of January this year to today's date, the 23rd. And I just want to show you the price of iron ore as well. So, it's a little inconclusive. There's obviously some information out of China, the major steel production city. I can't pronounce it, TSI something. They were discussing, well, there was news out from that city that they were going to reduce steel production due to air quality issues. So, unclear if that is going to roll that into, well, you know what, we're okay for now with iron ore, with the demand that they have, and then that could obviously lead to just a reduction in price, especially with Brazil coming in. But COVID is still running rampant in Brazil, but it's just something to consider with the vaccines that eventually will get out to them. So, I haven't entered a trade. I'd like to see what happens tomorrow. Obviously, we've got in post-market trading, we've got a big order of 1940, so we could see it move a little bit more. But I'd like to get a little bit more information out of what the price of iron ore is doing, and that is it. That's unfortunately, just on FMG, guys. Thanks for watching, and that was slightly longer than a minute as well.